Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you shortly and tell you how to obtain Krusty Cash in Brawl Stars. So firstly, to actually understand what this is, so this was a currency that was available during a special event or a limited time game modes. It's related to a particular event, like a summer themed event or a collaboration, and of course it can only be obtained by participating in the event specific game modes and completing challenges. So in order to get Krusty Cash or similar event currencies in Brawl Stars, I'm going to run through a general steps. So firstly, of course, make sure the first thing to do is to actually check if this currency is available under a certain event. So make sure that the event rewards Krusty Cash and it's active in the game. After that, make sure to complete event challenges or quests by participating in the event and completing any special challenges or quests associated with it. Play event game modes that reward Krusty Cash. Some events will reward you for simply participating, while others require you to win matches. And lastly, claim rewards in the event shop. You need to use the Krusty Cash you've earned to unlock event exclusive items, skins, or other rewards. And also, always make sure to keep your game updated to not miss out on special limited time events and rewards. So this is shortly the explanation on how to get Krusty Cash in Brawl Stars. Thank you guys for watching, hopefully this helps, and I'll see you next time in the next tutorial.